Hey folks, imagine a blockchain that's not just fast, but lightning fast. And what if I said it's causing a stir in the crypto world because of its super low fees and massive scalability? Well, welcome to Solana. But how does it work? Why is it so cheap? And why are people calling it the future of finance? In the next few minutes, I'm going to spill the beans on what makes Solana one of the most talked about blockchains today. Stick around. So what exactly is Solana? In simple terms, it's a blockchain platform designed to be super fast. While other blockchains are like old trains slowly puffing along, Solana is the futuristic bullet train. It's built to handle thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains out there. Compare that to Ethereum, which handles around 15 to 30 transactions per second. Big difference, right? The secret is that Solana uses something called proof of history. Most blockchains work like a slow single-file line at a checkout. They process one transaction at a time. And Solana is like a self-checkout lane at the store, with everyone zipping through simultaneously. The system doesn't need to check and recheck every transaction's timing. It's already done. And it's not just speed. Solana is also super affordable. Each transaction costs a fraction of a penny, which is a huge deal if you're tired of paying high gas fees on other networks. Okay, but why should you care? Well, Solana's speed and low costs make it perfect for all sorts of real-world applications. It's being used to build everything from NFTs to DeFi apps. Imagine gaming platforms where every in-game purchase is instant, or DeFi platforms where trading is as smooth as silk. That's why Solana's got everyone excited. It makes a real difference. Just look at the projects already thriving on Solana. Jupiter aggregates all decentralized exchanges with low transaction costs and innovative features. PumpFun is a place where users can create their meme coin in a couple of buttons. IO.net is a decentralized computing network designed to provide affordable and efficient cloud computing resources for machine learning and AI applications. And then there's Magic Eden, an NFT marketplace that became the go-to place for digital art on Solana. And it's just a few examples. Solana is also growing like crazy. Imagine a tiny seed sprouting into a giant tree overnight. That's Solana. It's quickly becoming a go-to platform for the next generation of blockchain applications. So there you have it. A blockchain built for speed, designed for the future. Whether you're a trader, a developer, or just someone curious about the next big thing, Solana is a name you'll be hearing a lot more of. In the world of blockchain, time is money, and Solana's saving you both. Until next time.